If you prefer conventional guns, today we'll be spraying base coat clear coat to show that conventional siphon fed guns can spray just as well as today's gravity fed guns. We'll be using a Devilbiss MBC and a number 30 tip. Here's a close-up shot of that gun and a shot of the backside. First, the base, we'll be spraying at about 20 to 25 psi, and here's the pattern. If you want less overspray and more paint hitting the panel, you can tighten up the pattern, something like this. I'm not a big fan of heavy paint in the door jambs, so we're going to go with one double coat of clear. If you're used to using or prefer conventional guns, there's no reason to change. In my opinion, they spray just as well as gravity-fed ones, as long as they're clean and well maintained. At one time, these were the kings of the spray gun world. The quality and feel of the Binks and Devilbiss were second to nobody. If you do find one in good condition, pick it up and give it a try. You might never go back. I hope you enjoyed this video on using conventional siphon-fed guns. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.